Forget everything you know about EVs. This is the GMC HUMMER X concept. No compromise. Just pure, unadulterated power. Meet the HUMMER SUV. A white and black desert beast packing a lethal red and black cockpit and a massive 13.2 inches of ground clearance. Now shift to the asphalt assassin. The HUMMER truck. Striking red and black exterior, premium white cabin, laser-welded seams, and exposed precision bolts. Riding on brutal 37-inch Goodyear rock tires, it boasts a crazy 44-degree approach angle to conquer any terrain. Step inside the command center. Adaptable, stackable digital displays transform instantly whether you're cruising highways or crawling boulders. Built for the community. Zero adhesives. Just eco-friendly mechanical snap fits and recycled performance seatbacks built to be modified. Look at the massive wheels. The truck commands the concrete jungle of LA on 22-inch alloys inserted to tires, while the SUV launches an onboard scout drone to map the wilderness. Because the courage to get lost leads to new discoveries. HUMMER X. The future is here.